So hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So this is the week 3 of my journey to turning $0 to $100,000 funded. So this past week I had taken total of 3 trades and I've documented all the 3 trades, and all of them are surprisingly all of them are losses. So I've recorded the videos. Now I'll just add it here. So yes, let's just jump right into the videos. And overall this week I think so I'm like in break even. So like I have started this journey when I was in profits a little bit. Then I had made a profit again in the previous week one. So this week, unfortunately, all the trades that I had taken were all losses. So yes, let's jump into the trades right away. So this is the first trade that I had taken. As you can see, USD JPY. So overall, the bias was pretty bearish as for me, but the displacement with which it showed above, I thought that it after taking the buy side liquidity and the 4 hour fair value gap, it has chance to come down. So for me, the daily bias was in sell side. So after I had marked out my areas, so after the sell, as you can see, the sell side swept, buy side swept, then I had come into the market somewhere around here, here or something 9 o'clock, and I was waiting for market to take this high. So after the market had taken this high and gave displacement to the downside, I was waiting for a manipulation then to take a entry. So as you can see, for after it took the market 12, 17, then the market took the give manipulation in around 135. So after that there was also SMT in Japanese basket that I see. Then I had entered, as you can see, after a big displacement and pullback, I had also drawn out the fib tool. So I was planning to enter somewhere here, but the market didn't give me entry right away. So I think the mistake that I had made is that once the market had taken this swept this 15-minute fair value gap, I should have just cancelled the trade. But I thought that there was still opportunity for me to enter the trade. So then I had taken an entry over here, and the market just directly hit my stop loss, as you can see. So the thing to learn is that after as you get the displacement through CISD, if the market doesn't give you an instant pullback to take a entry, I think I should just change my bias over there only, because the low hanging fruit was the 15-minute fair value gap, which the market had taken directly with like 5-6 candles of displacement. So yes, this was the trade that I had taken. And so today is Monday. Next, we have the rest of the week. Whatever trades I will take, if I'll take any trades, I will quickly explain it and add to the journey. I had taken this trade and I had lost around $9. I will not show you in the nostro. I'll just show you in the Saturday, Sunday, whatever happens. So this was the trade that I had taken. Entry on 1 minute. In the 5 minute also pretty bearish, as you can see. The market was trading lower high, lower low. But once the market had given displacement to the upside, I think so I should have changed my bias, because the market had taken this liquidity, 15-minute liquidity, that was it was headed, and I had my one screen here. I was monitoring the higher time frame over here. So yes, that's it for this trade. See you in the next trade if I take any. So hello guys. So today is Thursday, 27th of February. So I had taken my last trade. I think so. I had taken it on, as you can see, 24th. I think so. Yes, I had taken the trade last trade on 24th. So today I again got an opportunity. So today I was doing a bit of traveling, so I was unable to watch the pre-London session. So I had come to the market around 2 o'clock, and I was overall in the day I was like pretty bearish. So my bias was bearish, but as you can see, the 130 candle had like ate up all this previous price action in a single candle. So I thought that after the buy side liquidity will get swept, I will see if my model plays out and I'll just take a trade there. So at come here, the buy side liquidity got swept. Then I was waiting for a displacement through this 1 minute fair value gap, as you can see. but the market failed to do so. So the market went on making higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low. Then after the market had taken 1 hour liquidity sweep of buy side liquidity again, then after a displacement, still the market could not uh, break through this 1 minute fair value gap. So I thought that if the market comes and manipulates here, then I can take a trade targeting this as my low hanging fruit, because this like market is respecting this fair value gap a lot. So after the market had come here, the main problem that I had first made in this trade was, as you can see, I have written it down also, that just observe, like I didn't don't have a only bias, change your bias according to the market, don't predict, just observe. So what I was doing was I was predicting that the market will go down. What should have I done was I should have waited for further confirmation. That was my main mistake in this trade. After the trade had come in this IFBG, I had entered the trade, and as you can see, the trade directly went and hit my stop loss. So I journaled it also here. As you can see, I lost about $12. So this was the trade. There was no SMT. So while the market was here, I thought that it was SMT. So I went and checked in JPY basket. There was looking like an SMT, but it was not a proper SMT. As I'm new to this strategy, so I'm making a lot of mistakes. So yes, the market went and directly hit my stop loss in this first trade. Again, next trade I was waiting for this blue area. As you can see, this is the 1 hour fair value gap. So market went and swept another high, and I was waiting for manipulation. Then after it manipulated, then I had entered in this fair value gap. So this was my SMT divergence. I was targeting 2 to 2.5. So I'll just delete it for now. So I had taken a trade around here. If you can see this fair value gap, I had entered here, and here also now I need to learn from my mistakes that this fair value gap has had respected one time, two time in the lower time frame also it had respected three times. After the market has started creating this upside candle, I should have either take close the trade in break even, or I should have wait for more confirmation to take a entry again. So the market went and hit my stop loss. As you can see, the mistake I had done in this trade was this was the manipulation move. I had thought this was the manipulation move, but this was the manipulation move. So I'll just mark it out. This was the manipulation move. So like I need to learn from my mistake. Like I did the best. I had waited. I didn't like entered in a trade in the FOMO and all that. So high the strategy is that in higher time frame PDRA, buy side gets swept in internal manipulation, then CISD, then enter the trade. I had done that only, but this was not the manipulation. This was supposed to be the manipulation. And as you can see, proper CISD, but still the 1 minute area is getting respected. So I should have waited. Then after the market had come here, then I could have entered after this high got taken. So this was supposed to be the trade. This was supposed to be second trade. So my stop loss should have been here around 3 pip stop loss, and I should have targeted low of this. As you can see, four perfect trade. This was supposed to be the trade, but I went and like mistook both of these trade. So if you can identify any problem with this trade, you can just comment down below. Like I'm new to this ICT strategy, so I don't have many like some things maybe I'm missing. You all can see. So you can just comment down below. It will help me out also. So yes, this was supposed to be the trade. I should have closed my 80% in the 1 minute fair value gap, left the trade running for this sell side liquidity, and it should be a proper at least 1 is to 8, 1 is to 9 trade. So like there is nothing I can do now. Like after the manipulated, I got manipulated. I was thinking of jumping into another trade, but if I should have would have jumped in this trade, this would be have done pure gambling, because my rule is to take one trade a day. But with proper risk management and everything, I took two trades today. So the third trade, like I have written in my rules also that like even if you take one or two trades, that's okay. But three trades, like not like that's not acceptable. So this third trade, if I could have taken, then I could have made back both of the trade. But we'll move on to the next trade. So today was that only, and I have taken a trade in USD CHF also. This is currently running in huge loss. So this trade I had taken on Monday. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this trade. So yes, it came once around. It gave me around. Let's see how much it was giving me. Around 1 is to 1.4, but my target is here. So this is a swing trade. I will take directly stop loss if it happens. So this was the trade, and I had missed a trade in GBP USD. This was the trade that I had missed. As you can see, I had written down everything. While the market was here, I was doing a little bit of traveling, so I was in train. I thought that like there will be a server issue when I land, then I'll take a trade. As I landed, this candle like went up, like opportunity missed. So this would have been a perfect trade, and I would have closed here around see 2.25. This was the, like I would have closed here 100%. So this trade I missed, and third trade is AUD USD. Let's see how this trading. So this trade is here now. If this gives me a 1 hour engulfing, then I can look to enter in this trade. But I have written on everything, confluences and all that. So USD CHF, this trade I had taken on Monday. As you can see, Monday around 7:30 morning, like as the morning candle came, that time only I took GBP USD. I had missed this trade. Now nothing I can do. So that's it for this today. So tomorrow, if I today is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. So tomorrow, if I take any trades, I'll make a video on that also. If not, then so this is the ending of this video. So bye bye, take care. So my overall journey is like in break-even stage now. Continuously, I'm having losing streaks. So the main thing I'll say how to deal with losing streak is once you have paid for the challenge account, unless you are trading personal account like personal fund. I'm not giving advice to personal fund. This is not an advice, this is just a general like knowledge type thing. Once you have paid for a challenge, let's say you have bought a 10K account like me, so you use let's say 3 or 4,000 rupees. So once you take the first trade, let's say you reach 1% and you lost $100, just think of the account as blown. Now once in your mind the account has blown, you you will trade risk free. Like understand this also, until and unless the money that you made in prop firm comes to your bank account, everything is demo. The live account you are getting, that's also demo. So like that fumbles with our brain a lot. Like we are trading live capital. Once we have 10K, we think about like how much profit we are going to make. Like we are going to buy this, how get 100K funded. Don't think about that. Just detach from the money perspective. Just focus on trading. Just focus on becoming a better trader. And you should focus on, like if anyone puts you in any chart without any name or anything, you should be able to predict, like not predict, you should be able to find out which direction the market is going. Okay, so detach from the money perspective, and you will like see you will be doing a lot better in this trading area. So yes, that's it for this today. If tomorrow I take a trade, I'll put I'll add the video, or if I don't take a trade, this is the ending of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any problem, you can comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. I try to come live in London session daily, so if you want we can trade live also. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.